everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I just filmed a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you guys, so you probably would have seen that video first, but I have a really fun and unexpected haul from Hermes. I popped in solely for one thing and one thing only. I really wanted the chain to anchor ring, or I was looking at the H wedding band. So I wanted to go in, take a look at it so I can figure out my size and then purchase the size I want. So this is the thing that I got. Okay, this is the main thing that I went in for. While I was waiting for my essay, which I have not seen her in so long, they like to put things in like bags so you don't get robbed. But while I was waiting for her, I also saw this silk. I told myself, stop buying silks, although silks are very fun in the summer, but there's a silk that looks just like Harley. Also, I smelled this perfume. It is Un Jardin sous la mer. It is their new fragrance, and it smells absolutely divine. It smells powdery, fresh, a little bit floral. It's unisex, and I love a unisex scent because I personally don't like floral scents. So like Chloe, Chanel, Chance, like I don't like those kind of scents, and I don't like anything that is bubblegummy, sweet. It's got to be fresh smelling. My favorite scent from Lush is like Lush Dirty, so that will give you an idea of like the scents I like. I like things that smell really fresh. So my essay gave me some samples. That way I can test it out and see if I like it, but also I will consider getting that for somebody's gift in the future. But let's do a quick unboxing and then have a little chit chat. So I went in for this specific item. This cutie. This is my first Hermes jewelry piece. And it comes in a box like this because it is solid gold. Oops. And it comes in a box like this. Okay. And there's a pillow on it. And you guys know I wear a lot of rings. In case you guys are wondering, these are the rings of the day. This one is MEJURI, Vivienne Westwood, Jiao Dai Fuk, MEJURI. This is Linear, Cartier, MEJURI, Tiffany & Co, MEJURI. A lot of MEJURI. You guys know I'm a huge MEJURI girl. And then in terms of necklaces, let's just do it all. Bracelets, all MEJURI. You guys all know that. Necklaces, all the necklaces are MEJURI. The pendants, however, are not all MEJURI. Everything is MEJURI except for this. This is a Gemagachi from Kimberly Doyle, and this is a Gachapon from Kimberly Doyle. So I'm a huge Kimberly Doyle fan. But anyways, this is the ring I got. Okay, this is the chain to anchor ring. I didn't know what size I was, and this is a rose gold piece. Can you guys see? It's a rose gold piece. I got it in a size 53, I think. So I figured I could wear it on the index finger. It's a little bit different, okay, because I was thinking about getting the wedding band with the diamonds, and it has an H on it. H, I have an affinity for that. Like I wear an H earring on this side, and that stands for Harley. Obviously my channel name is Harley. It's named after my dog. He's obviously no longer here. He's actually right there, but he's no longer here. Okay, he has gone to the heavens. But I got the chain to anchor ring because it's so interesting. And then what I really actually liked is that I could wear it on the ring finger, and it just adds a little bit of interest because then I like wearing my gelatoni ring there. But then I wanted to have the option of wearing it here in case I do want to switch it around. So instead of getting the size 51 that fit this finger really perfectly, I got this one. So that is the first thing I got, okay? I already was like, I'm going to make a huge purchase. It's going to be this ring. It's going to be a ring, whatever, okay? I will just stick that in there. Then I saw this. I thought, whoa, I have to have it because I have to have it. Oh, it says Hermes 2026 Venture Beyond. Cool. I like that. I love when their ribbons say the year. Like some of my ribbons say the year as well when I started shopping. I think I started shopping here in 2020. Anyways, I got this. At first I wanted the pink one, and then I decided, no, I want the one that has Harles on it. And there was a black and white one. It was all black with like or sorry, it was all white and then it had black. I have a TikTok, so if you want to see like the random things that I didn't end up purchasing, because I did a lot of ready to wear. I really want to buy some Hermes ready to wear, but their style is not exactly my style. They have a lot of boho stuff this collection, but there's like always something like I don't love about it. So anyways, I got this little scarf. It's not little, it's a large. It's a 90 by 90 square, and it is gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. There's a lot of woodland creatures. It's very colorful. So there's squirrels, rabbits. I think this is a horse or I don't know, a deer. But mainly why I liked it was because Harley is sitting on the bottom there. And it looks just like him. Does it not? Does it not look like him? Like it looks just like him. Like he sits like that all the time. Anyways, so I got that. I was leaving and she's like, well, we were walking to the checkout and then my essay's like, what are you going to do for the rest of the day? And I said, oh, I have a Louis Vuitton bag I have to go pick up. So I'm going to do that and then head home. And she's like, you don't want a bag from Hermes? And I was like, obviously I do. Like I would love a bag from Hermes. You know how it is with Hermes. You just never know. And she's like, well, I have a lot of stock today. Do you want to take a look at some stuff? And then I was like, well, what do you got? I personally would love a garden party Neo in leather, the tiny little thing. It's so freaking cute. My friend Sarah has like a bigger garden party. I don't know which size she has, but she has a bigger one. But the mini one is so freaking cute. So I really want that. I have quota bags that I would like, but I have not nearly shopped enough to like be considered for a quota bag. But she was like, I have this very sought after bag, which has been on my radar, but because you can't just buy bags at Hermes, why is it stuck? Why are you stuck? Because you can't just buy bags at Hermes. I didn't have it on my radar. And well, she offered me this. And then I saw originally the black version and it has black canvas. So this might be a little spoiler for you. You might be like, oh, I know exactly what you are getting. So there was originally that. And then I said, oh, I don't like that. It's too stark. I have too many black bags. I want something like fresher. So she pulled out this. So let's open it up together. Okay. Fun. It's not a like expensive. Well, it's expensive, but it's not like a quota bag expensive. So here's what we got. A mini Herbag. This is new. It's from this season. I think it just came out. And it looks like a mini Kelly, but like not a mini Kelly, obviously, because it's a Herbag. So let's take off this shit. Oh my God. So funny. I'm like, can I try this on? Because it has all the wrapping on it. I try to be respectful, like regardless if it's like Hermes or like Louis Vuitton. I'm like, can I try this on? Anyways, this is her. This strap can't be adjusted, unfortunately. So it is quite long. I think I would like it like at this length on me. So I'm going to figure out how to adjust that for myself. There is a pocket on the back, which is really fun. And there's a tag. What does that say? It says Hermes made in France on the back too. There's a pocket on the side. This does not fit a phone, unfortunately. But you can put something in there, like a Presto Pass, a wallet, something. And then this, I believe, goes like this. Yeah. And then that comes out, and then that comes out. And then you can wear it like this. So it's like a... So usually people wear it like so. What I think is very special about this bag is that it's gold hardware. Typically this bag comes in palladium or silver, and this one is gold. And it says Hermes right here. I don't know if you can see. My friend Sarah's is also gold, which is very special. And then it says Hermes Paris on the side. It says Hermes here. Very, very cute. And there's no pocket on the inside. I think you're able to like take this bag apart, but I don't know how. And yeah, I gotta figure out how to style this. Not style it. What is happening with the strap? Oh, shoot. I've somehow tangled it. Anyways, I have to figure out how to undo the strap and wear it and whatnot. I've literally tangled this thing. I don't know how. How does that work? Maybe because I like wrapped it around a few times. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. So yeah, I want to figure out how to shorten this thing and then I can wear it more my style, but I'm excited to put like purse pals on it. I like that it has that opening. The only leather is on this top piece, but I'm happy it's gold. And I like that there are these sangles that you can close with. Wow, it's kind of annoying to close. You gotta like make sure everything's taut. Hello. And then it goes like this. Which I will probably never wear it that way. I think I will end up wearing it. I think I'm gonna end up wearing it like a mess. Like so. And just have it out. Anyways, I gotta figure out all the details of this bag. But yeah, this was my unexpected haul. I'm sorry that there's so many hauls I've been showing you. It's like, I get it, you know, like a lot. But I like sharing this stuff with you because it's fun. I think you guys enjoy it. But yeah, I'm excited. I have 2 new summer bags. This one and the Louis Vuitton one I just unboxed. How fun is that? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram, _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok at HelloHarley. I'm posting a lot of stuff there. I'm posting on TikTok too. I'm trying to show shorts specifically for my friend. She doesn't try to go on TikTok too often. She only does it on her phone. No, on her laptop. So I've been reposting my TikToks here so she can watch them. But in turn, a lot of you guys are watching them, which I'm having a lot of fun with. So yeah, follow me on there as well. I post videos and stuff. Maybe sometimes content doesn't end up making it here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.